a lot of this technology is designed by people in San Francisco or, you know, these tech hub cities, and they're not always reaching out to people. They're not often thinking about what do we want? What do people need?
We are just continuously bombarded by the narrative of Silicon Valley and by big tech. Of course, because they put AI everywhere and they tell us what it is for, why we should use it.
The more I played games and got involved with computers, I realised that it was not built for me, and there is nobody there that works like me or comes from the same background as me, thinks like me, looks like me. It really wasn't there.
It's very, very important that as many people as possible are part of shaping this narrative, this collective understanding and collective action.
If we want different people to be involved in these conversations and democratize AI literacy, we need to also try different approaches.
Being able to have these conversations more like closer way and more human way can actually like help us understand better these technologies.
You're trying to tell complex, serious stuff, so play became that tool, like keeping people engaged and keeping them down in the journey.
I think AIxD does such a great job at pulling together community members with such different walks of life and entryways into this space that's hard to find outside. Everything from technologists to hacktivists to, you know, traditional academics to artists and videographers in a really, really unique way.
I was really surprised at how well integrated the practices like collage and manual crafts were, which I don't really practice as much in the university.
We were thinking about big technology questions and future questions and all of that with our hands. So it felt like we're bridging some sort of world of ideas translated into very tangible artifacts.
And I really love the fact that this is like a very safe space where you can, by using your hands, by using your scissors, by using the collages technique, by using the AI tools or all kinds of tools which we learned during these 3 days, you can ask even more questions than you had before.